Okay, let's look at the stem then. This is a threaded fork, so normally we would have what we call a quill stem that would slot in there and then come out, and then your handlebars attached directly to it. Now my brother here wants to have more of a modern look to it, so he wants a standard stem, more modern stem putting on there, because he'll want it that way around as well, and he wants to use his bars that he already has. So I found this perfect adapter, probably about £8, which has sort of like the quill end, which you'll pull that up, and then that will make it tight against the head tube on the inside when that comes up like that. And that's how that works. So all I'm going to do is make sure that the thread is greased, and grease around there where my hand is, because we don't want this getting seized and wedged in like it did on another bike that I got off eBay. And that then is just going to sit in there, and then the headset, whichever way around, sorry, not the headset, the stem, whichever way around you want it, is going to sit on there like that. Now, knowing my brother, he'll want it dropped down, and so that's easily done. So basically I'm just going to grease it up like I said, and Allen key on the top, tighten that up, and then tighten these bolts here, put the bars on, tighten them up, and that's a standard job. So I'm sure I'll be familiar with that. And skipped a step here for you, just putting the seat post in and the saddle, and all I did was just make sure that the seat post was greased. I put a bit of grease around there, because as you know from watching the video on the Specialized Rockhopper, 1988 Rockhopper that I made into a tourer, that seat post was stuck in there and it was a right chore getting out. One thing I'm gutted about is that I did order a black quick release seat pin, but the thread wasn't long enough to go from there to there, so I've had to just utilize the old one for now. But it doesn't look bad, so that's what it looks like at the moment. It's all coming together nicely. So I'm just going to tighten these up, and put the bars on and tighten those up as well. So what you generally have to do with these is do them in a crossways fashion diagonally, and then just go around and nip them up again. So how do you think it's coming together? It's looking amazing, isn't it? Now I'm quite sure even my brother won't want that difference with the saddle and the handlebars. He likes to look like a racer all the time, so I know that he'll want it on the extreme, but I think even he'll struggle with that. So but that's something for him to work out. So the next thing we're going to do is put the brakes on. Now we are going to utilize the old brakes,